All right, what's going on, guys? What up? What up? What up? Good morning. Let's catch some dubs on the win today. Woo! Lee. What's going on? Good afternoon. Good afternoon, y'all. Good afternoon. Stream settings. Guys, what do you think? What do you think gold is today? Y'all do some analysis for me. 100% gold is bullish. 100%. This does look like a bunch of trend line though, that it could potentially want to run, but we are bullish. Caught a nice AMD during Asia. What, on gold? Or gold looks like it just pumped. Oh no. I see. Are you talking about this one? Accumulation, manipulation, lower, distribution higher? That's a great AMD. If that's the one you're talking about. I could spot it instantly. Yeah. I could spot it instantly. Accumulation, manipulation, lower, distribution higher. That's great. What about London? What did London do? Oh yeah, a bunch of chop, and then we expanded towards the end. What's NQ doing? Oh my gosh, NQ is just distracting me right now. We still haven't taken out this draw? Oh no, we took it out here. Okay. We just dumped after. Okay. So where are we on the chart right now? This is London, this is Asia. So this was New York session. We haven't even taken out. Okay, we're definitely bullish. It's a matter of can we sweep something before we go lower. NQ is definitely bullish. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's going on, man? What time is it? 7:20. We're all doing well. We're doing well, man. Not gonna lie, gold is struggling at these levels. London high and New York PM high. If you look on the 4 hour, this looks like a massive, you never really know. Gold could end up temporarily shorting to these lows. You gotta watch and see how it reacts. It's like it's rejecting off this 1 hour imbalance. And we still have like, I get that we're bullish, but that doesn't mean it won't short really quick. Like that doesn't mean it won't like do this first or even all the way down here. Like look, we're rejecting. Look at that. We're rejecting. It's not bad at all. I don't know though. It's still early for me. Still way too early. Guys, this could short here. This could potentially short here, guys. We could short all the way down here to all these accumulation. This can short here. You never know. It's like I like this rejection here though, low key. Inverse this 5 minute. Not horrible. We'll see though. What's NQ doing? For NQ, we gotta low-key wait till market open. I don't like trading NQ before market open. 830 is right here. Even silver. All this trendline liquidity. I think we go run all this. I think we go run all this, guys. Shorts on gold isn't crazy. If this inverses, shorts isn't that crazy actually for gold. If that inverses, shorts isn't that crazy. What y'all think? What y'all think? You think it will take it before market open? Take what? What would it take? I wouldn't mind a sell-off here. There's too much trend line. Me too. I do think if what I'm thinking, y'all have to understand my thought process. If what I'm thinking is correct, I do think that number one, gold wouldn't take out this high, so I'm watching. If this doesn't inverse and this high gets taken, I'm not looking to really short nothing anymore. Because 100%, I'm not slow. We are clearly bullish, right? Long term, like we are clearly bullish. But if you look in the short term, on the 4 hour time frame, what have we done? Swept out this 4 hour high while tapping into this 4 hour FEG. Okay, we tapped into this 4 hour FEG. What did we do? We rejected. Yeah, we're also now in this other 4 hour FEG here that we could potentially go bullish on. That's why it's like, are we going to continue bullish? Or are we going to continue bearish? But have we swept any form of liquidity to continue bullish? No, if anything, we left equal lows below. But that's on the 4 hour. Let's go check on the 1 hour. Did we sweep any liquidity here? No, we didn't. We left this liquidity intact. All we did was inverse all these fair value gaps and then start retracing. What do I think? We could potentially just be retracing back into this gap. Let's use our fib tool from here to here. Where are we at? We're rejecting off of the 50% of this, and then we can easily just come lower to sweep and then go higher. That's what I'm saying, man. There's been no sweeps. There's been no sweeps on the higher time frame. That doesn't mean gold doesn't need it, but it's like, we'll see though. But we are obviously clearly bullish, but gold might want to short temporarily, is my point. We might give a temporary sell. But let price tell us. If it starts longing, then we're good. That's just a small little theory. NASDAQ, I look-y just want NASDAQ to come lower, sweep something, and let's take some longs. We have equal lows here on NASDAQ. Look on the 1 hour. ES has room to go higher. Keeps rejecting. No close. No closure on gold there. Good morning, Mafia. Good morning. Good morning, brother. Have I picked up the legacy accounts? Yeah, I have multiple. The legacy accounts end today, by the way, guys. All of it ends today. Look at all this accumulation. I think we come get them. I think it just wants to chop first. Are they worth it? I really think they are. If you know how to trade properly and you know what you're doing. The legacy, so the legacy accounts is like special accounts. They have different payout caps on them, different pricing on them, different activation fee pricing, and all that fun stuff. But the legacy accounts, they are different, and you're better in my opinion. And Apex only does that stuff once in a while. This time though, they said no gimmicks. That this is the last time that you're bringing it or something like that. But who knows? I might bring it again, you know. I really do like all this. I like this trade idea, like the concept of it. Is it risky? A little bit. That doesn't make sense. Kind of does. I'm gonna go lighter risk on this trade, but I will take it. If this 5 minute here inverses, I will take this short, but I'll go lighter risk on this because we are fading the trend. But it makes perfect sense to me why we could short here. Inside this 1 hour gap, we filled the 50% of this range. There's been no liquidity sweep down here, so we could come back for some type of sweep while also retesting this level. It's not horrible. It's not horrible. It's taking mad long to inverse though. We might have to wait for market open. NQ is building up all this trend line here. Yeah, I trade using TradingView. Sometimes Tradeivy. Yeah, yeah, I'll execute on TradingView itself. I have two screens, guys. So I have an execution screen and then I have a live streaming stream, something like that. I have two streams or two screens, whatever you want to call it. There's no news today. The market's moving kind of slow right now. Okay, I want NASDAQ to manipulate these lows and then go higher. But what if it wants to manipulate the highs first? That's why you always wait for an inverse, ladies and gentlemen. If this high here gets taken, I'm getting rid of my short bias or my short idea. It's like, it's definitely like this high shouldn't here shouldn't get taken if we want our short to work. For NASDAQ, I really do like manipulation into here to continue higher. I don't know if we're gonna get that or not. What y'all think? Are we gonna get that? New York AM high is still untapped. Guys, I know my screen looks mad confusing right now, but trust me. Yeah, it's just an idea. It's just an idea. That doesn't mean we will. It's just an idea. It's just an idea. If prices continue longer like this, nigga, I'll go bullish. I trade what I see, not what I think. So I'm just looking at it. What is it doing? The crazy thing about ICT, or god damn, why did my viewers dump? Holy shit. Did they get hit with an ad or something? The crazy thing about ICT though is that whenever we could be creating higher highs and higher lows and all of that fun stuff, but we would actually consider all this trend line. That doesn't mean it's shorting, but we'll consider this trend line. For me, whenever I'm looking at bullish structure, let me put you all on some game. Whenever I'm looking at bullish structure, do you know what I like to see? I like to see things like this. Sweeps, go higher. Sweeps, go higher. Sweeps here, go higher. If this candle had swept out this low, beautiful. That's genuinely what I like to see. I don't like higher highs and higher lows like this. Fareed, Daniel, I just want to let you know finally I'm profitable, Fareed. Hey man, I'm really proud of you, man. How long? How long has it been? How long has it been? How long, man? Thanks to me? No, man. It's thanks to you, bro. All I can do is give you the tools. I can't actually make you profitable. All I can do is give you the tools and teach you how to think for yourself. In the past 2 months, you've been profitable. There we go. Now all you have to do is just keep it up. Keep doing what it is you're doing. Well, good job, man. Proud of you, bro. That's what's up. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. That's what I'm saying. It's like, I be rage baiting sometimes on my Instagram. Sometimes I hope y'all know me better than that. Like, I hope y'all know that like how I am on Instagram is not really how I am in like person or even on stream. I hope y'all know me better than that. I hope y'all sometimes can see one of my videos and say, "Oh yeah, he's rage baiting." I hope y'all know me better than that and what I actually think. But whenever I be getting hate comments sometimes on my Instagram, I'm like, if this is helping at least one person, I actually don't care. A lot of people say they don't care, but in my thought process is, if I'm helping literally just one person, I'm fine. I'm fine. I think I'm a damn funny dude. I get that a lot. Nasdaq, please, let's take out these lows and I'll long you. No homo. Even though we're rejecting off of these highs, why do I even like longs again? High, lower, low, higher, high. Not higher, high, lower, high. Low, high, low. So this was all liquidity here. It's so hard to spot on NASDAQ right now because we're chopping. Sweep here. Rejecting out of this 1 hour here. Have a low here. What's ES doing? ES might be cleaner. We could deadass just be ranging though. Think about it, we have lows here and we have highs here. We're rejecting off this 1 hour here on ES heavily. Boom. We're literally just accumulating. So what's your bias? Doesn't matter. We could easily do this, then this, then this. We could do this, then this, then this, then this. You don't know how long this is going to last. But I do know that on ES is a lot easier to read than NQ. Might be an AMD setup. Yeah, let's watch. If it's an AMD setup, I would low-key want it to manipulate down to the lows. Why? This was already our AMD setup here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, to manipulation again. So accumulation again, then another manipulation down into this manipulation again, and then distribution. I don't want it to manipulate higher. So I want it to go lower and sweep something. What market open could do is dump ES. I think the ES dumps. We come sweep out all these lows. And then at around 9:30-ish, 10 p.m., a little later in the day, we get a long setup, and then it'll just trend for the rest of the day. I'm calling it now. That's my bias. I'm calling it now. Same thing with NASDAQ. Market open, it might just dump. You get a little setup, you get in. It'll take maybe 2 hours, an hour to play out, but the rest of the AM session, it'll just like slowly trade higher. That's if ES wants to keep up with this accumulation, manipulation, distribution to another accumulation to manipulate lower again to distribute higher. As if we get that. $15-minute Timmy on gold though. But I don't think I'm willing to try it anymore. It could work. What time is it? 7:51. 15-minute Timmy on gold. NQ. NQ might be the play for the day. I think it's NQ. I think it's NQ. That's our play for the day. I'm telling you guys, gold doesn't I'm telling you guys, gold doesn't look that bad for a short. Look at all this. Could wipe it. We're getting a Timmy out of this 15-minute FEG. You want to see how this 5-minute here reacts. If gold is bullish, this 5-minute should hold. And this 5-minute here should hold. If that inverses, I think gold's coming down to take all this out. Low key. Let's just be real. Yeah, very slow market today. But we're not even at market open yet, so we're chilling. Give me a second, boys. I'll be back. Oh, man. Slow market today for sure. Never know. Definitely slow market. We gotta wait. Guys, there's this 5-minute FEG here. If that inverses, no shorts are kind of valid. So we'll at least come down to take out this low and then you can go break even and this low. But yeah. Only if this 5-minute here inverses though. Because then that's a Timmy model. Sweep, Timmy model. 15-minute Timmy. I'm good. 15-minute Timmy. It's not that bad. Ooh. It's bouncing at the previous volume profiles value area high. I don't use all that. I use fair value gaps, man. Gosh, I need fucking nasdaq to dump. Previous day volume profile, that's what it's bouncing off of. Sounds good. I see this volume imbalance here on the 4-hour. That is reacting off of. Oh, let's see what Besh sees about gold. Thank you. I knew I wasn't tripping. My number 2, Yo Besh, is calling shorts. I knew I wasn't tripping. My number 2. Tell him everything he knows. We can short off this. This is all liquidity. All of this is liquidity. All of this is liquidity. It's shorting. If this 5-minute can inverse, shorts aren't horrible. Just use, if you plan on taking only one trade a day, just risk half of what you would normally risk. But like, it's worth a shot. Because think about it, if this does play out, if we do end up getting this short, think about it, the reward is massive. Isn't it worth it to try? If we're right about what we think is about to happen, we're estimating a 4R. Isn't it kind of worth it? Let's try it out. Did this close? Not quite. You can low-key see if it close on the 3-minute. Not quite. Okay, you probably want to be patient here so you don't get manipulated. All right, this short stuff might not actually play. What's it called? Give it to me. Gold is playing. I guess it just wants to continue doing this bullshit. I don't think it wants to give it to us. Okay, let's stop fighting the trend then, I guess. It's playing with us. See on MNQ, it's doing the same thing here. It's low-key just a slow day. It's the day before CPI. Gold is LARPing very hard. But you didn't get your inverse here, so you're straight. You shouldn't be in this. Oh man, I don't get you, buddy. I don't get you. I'm too good for shorts. Yeah, I know better. I know where gold wants to go more than he does. I know where gold wants to go more than he does. But look, if it creates another high, that's more trendline liquidity this shit's putting in. It's like, Gold is LARPing. Slow day today. Slow day for sure. If this candle flips, I'm gonna try shorts really light here. If this candle flips in inverse, I'm gonna try shorts very light, 15 seconds. 15 seconds to inverse. I like this flip a lot. Give us a flip. Come on, 2 seconds, do it. No. Now we have to use stop orders or something. We have to be careful this doesn't run without us if it wants to run lower. I would have loved that flip a lot. I would have sold right there. Let's stay patient so we don't get manipulated. What about on XAU? Do we get something here? Nothing. Delete that. Nothing. Price is struggling here. See, now I don't know if it even wants to short or long anymore. It's playing with me. Nothing on XAU, nothing. MGC, nothing. GC, nothing as well. All right, let's not get manipulated here. Let's wait. Fuck. Do we have a 3-minute? Even the 3-minute didn't close. So all we have is this 1 minute up here. That's all we have. But then again, we also have another 1 minute sweep here with another 1 minute inverse here. So based off the 1 minute, we should be bearish. Yeah, gold looks disgusting. But if you zoom out, you can see the vision. But yeah, let's stay patient so we don't get manipulated here. When does NQ open? 8:30. We got 30 more minutes. Oh man. I don't think gold wants to short here, so I don't think we're gonna get anything. Because it's tripping. Tripping! Gold looks horrible. Taking too long to inverse this. That doesn't sound like somebody that wants to short. Thank God. You really don't want this. Like, imagine you FOMO'd into this inverse. You're getting fucked right now. Gold looks disgusting. Can we get a clean inversion to the downside gold? Like something clean. Yeah, gold's moving slow. If we start breaking past this 1 hour gap, then I don't think it's gonna short anymore. 60%. We're in the 50% mark. Should short. So we'll see. The new hourly candle has opened. We've taken out this hourly high. It should just short if it really wants to, but then again, we're still in a bullish market, so yeah, it's chopping. Is one-to-one R good to use, bro? Yes, when you're learning how to trade and you're trying to get your feet wet, 100% one-to-one R is good. For example, if we had gotten that sell that we wanted, I was expecting a 4R. I thought this would come all the way down here. Equal lows on London lows too. Like if this sells, I'm expecting like a big move. So now that we're chopping, let's see if we can low-key like manipulate a little bit and not break structure. I don't want this to like trend. If it does, then we really are bullish and we can look for a continuation model instead. But as of right now, all this looks like chop. I wouldn't trust anything gold is showing me right now. Okay, NQ. For NQ, I don't want to. I'm for sure full port in some shit. Is this gonna CISD? Or are you still technically just chopping? I think it's still just chopping. It's gonna CISD. I have low-key been struggling with my psychology lately. Just to add more confluence, your 15-minute FVG is in a 30-minute IFVG. Don't FOMO into this, but also don't let this run without you. This shit gave 3 sweeps. You better give a huge move. 3 sweeps. If you're breaking on this leg for real, this better be a huge move. I'll be pissed if you short down here and then break even. After 3 sweeps, you better be looking to reverse here, buddy. Can you get a good candle closure? Can we get a good candle closure? Oh my God, it's so stressful. I don't ever feel like actually trading this. This looks actually pretty risky because of just the way price action's moving. This looks horrible. What's NQ doing? Same with NQ. Price action is horrible today, guys. You took a trade on this? There was no entry. Guys, there hasn't been an entry yet. I don't see, like, nobody is, I haven't seen a single entry yet on anything. I don't see a single entry yet on anything. I just see chop. This is just accumulating. It is trending higher, but this is just accumulating. This is chop. This is not, there's no setup here. It's like it could win, yeah, but it's chop. Am I calling this a day here? What time is it? It's 8:21. This is just noise. All this is just noise. Oh man. I'm getting pretty bored of this, like, quickly. I'm getting pretty bored of this. Like, a lot, actually. Hey, the 1 minute long is playing out. But this thing's starting to get ridiculous now. Bro, all this goddamn trendline liquidity on gold. You telling me you don't want any of this? Is that what you're telling me? This is disgusting, Chop. This is disgusting. I don't even know if we should even take any setups again anymore. This is disgusting. Yeah, it does. This is good. This is CPI slash PPI's famous markets. It'll really fuck shit up. At market open, I need to see what price does. If it's not really doing much, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. It's CPI slash PPI. It'll suck if my gold move ends up playing out later. But I guess there's a mini SMT here. Does that count in this chop? I guess there's a tiny one. This is horrible. This is horrible. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is disgusting. Maybe we get a breakout here. Market open in what, 2 minutes, 22 seconds? Yeah, it is. At first, I wasn't sure about the shorts, but now that we're chopping around, like I'm kind of more confident in them. But gold is LARPing. Gold is LARPing us for sure. Let's see what NQ and nasdaq decide to do during market open. Remember, NQ and nasdaq are also chopping. If you look on the 1 hour, this is chop. It's just on the 5 minute. This chop is just a good move back to the downside. So we might get something on ES and NASDAQ today. But I'm not going to bet on it. It's CPI slash PPI week. I'll take everything with a grain of salt. Got 1 more minute till market open. Hey, that SMT low-key holding. That shit low-key holding. But market open's coming. We could just obliterate it. Market open. What did NASDAQ do? I knew it. Let's go. Yes. Boom. Okay, let's stay patient on NASDAQ and ES. Oh, chop. It's dumping. It's dumping. Let's go. Okay, it's taking out London lows. This is exactly what I said I thought it would do. If it takes out London lows, we can look for longs if it wants to long from London lows uh on on NASDAQ. Gold too. Gold might short here. Gold might finally give us that short that we've been waiting on. It's like I see volume coming back in just a little bit. Yeah, ES didn't really move. NASDAQ got to take at least those lows out. At least these lows before I even think about longing. Or we can low-key just wait for our gold short. Y'all want to still take this gold short? Three-minute on gold here. Believe it or not, if we get an inversion, we still have this SMT here. If we get an inversion, we have that SMT here still helping us. If we get our inversion. Okay, you've manipulated lower. I need you to go lower. I need this lower, NASDAQ. Guys, I'm shorting gold. I'm about to short gold. Gold's about to give us this inverse. I'm about to short it. Let me check on the 5-minute really quick. 1 minute left on gold. I'll short this. I'll short this if we get an inverse here. Okay, back into the range. Let's see. 30 seconds. I'll genuinely just short gold. And that'll be my one trade today. Yeah. Can we get an inversion? 20 seconds. Okay, how much should I risk on this? Oh my God. Are you serious? Okay, we have to wait for this 3-minute CISD. I'll be down to let this shit leave without me. If the 3-minute inverses and closes beneath this candle's body, I'll take it as well. Yeah, okay. It's running. It's running. All right. Close, 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 close. Give me a good close. Give me a good close. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6. Give me a good close, gold. Come on. Give me a good one. Give me a good one. I'll take that close. I'm willing to try shorts. I'll take that close. I'm willing to stick with my gold for initial gold trade idea. NQ is just dumping. Um, it could definitely. What's our trade idea? Sweep out London lows or Asia lows and then continue higher. I think it'll go down to Asia lows. I think it might just go back to Asia lows. ES is holding a bit. Oh my goodness, gold. I should have known not to trade you. Oh my god. We're about to get manipulated. I should have known not to trade this shit. Should have known. I didn't trust the setup that well, so I'm only in half risk because of CPI anyways. Maybe I should just come trade Asia session. Five-minute CISD, but this is chop, so that makes sense. I think we're getting manipulated. I think we're getting manipulated. Yeah, it is. Sorry. NQ though. NQ longs. I don't trust it. You know why I don't trust it? Oh no, this low already swept. Yeah, NQ longs isn't horrible. Does it close? Nah, you don't get a candle closure. Never mind. NQ longs isn't playing out. We haven't been stopped out on gold yet, by the way, guys. So if you're still holding gold, it's just a roller coaster. We're still holding gold. I do think we might get stopped out, but it's edging stop loss. It's a stop loss up here. Oh. Y'all want NQ? Y'all want NQ to take out Asia low? I expected more from you, gold. You disappointed me today. A lot. Not to get stopped. I'm getting out of this. Fuck this shit. Once my stop loss here gets hit, I'm gonna get out. Well, obviously I'm gonna be out, but I was trying to avoid the chop and I got into the chop. So now I'm sitting in chop while it's edging my stop loss. And then it'll retrace, act like it's winning, and then go back to stop loss. It's like, I know how this chop should go. I know how this chop shit goes. Almost. Okay, that's stop loss. I'm out. Guys, we traded chop. We traded chop. It's all good. Y'all can try this NASDAQ longs, but you might get cooked on that. We haven't taken out this low down there. Might actually genuinely get cooked on that. NASDAQ could play out. Guys, I'm getting off here. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day, guys. I think I'm gonna just eat this gold loss. Y'all can try this NASDAQ longs. Accumulation, manipulation lower to distribute higher. It doesn't look horrible. I wouldn't wait for this whole 5 minute inversion. The reason why I'm not that worried of Asia low being took is because on the 1 hour, Asia low, it was tiny, but Asia low did already sweep something. So technically, price can just go higher off of just this low sweep alone. So you got to play it by ear. But so this would be your trade setup right now if y'all want to take this. But it's PPI and CPI. Let me preserve my account. Took a baby loss today. Look, it's still chopping. It's still just chopping. Yeah. All right, boys. I'm going to catch y'all boys tomorrow. It was expected today. Small, tiny little loss today. Peace.